Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the OnePlus 6T against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it's going to be the Snapdragon 845 versus the Exynos 9810. Both phones have 6GB of RAM. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first is the OnePlus 6T. It has a 1080p AMOLED screen. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the same Snapdragon 845 CPU along with the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It has a Quad HD screen. It's on Android Oreo 8.1. It has the Exynos 9810 CPU and the Mali G72 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 6T wins by 5 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the Galaxy Note 9 wins by 4 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 6T won by 5 points. However, when it came to round 2, the Galaxy Note 9 won by 4 points, which also happens to be a perfect score. Over time, the OnePlus 6T may be optimized as the Android 9 Pie is quite new, whereas Samsung had some time to optimize Android Oreo. Now, having said that, the OnePlus 6T isn't a bad phone at all. It is actually a very good phone, and it is £300 cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I'm planning to get more phones including the Pixel 3. So you will see speed tests and camera comparisons. So make sure you have that bell icon enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.